Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a messy but oh so delicious blueberry shortcake. All you need for this cake is flour, eggs, sugar, milk, baking powder, salt, unsalted butter, and vanilla extract. Before you begin making the batter, grease two 8-inch cake pans, then preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium-sized bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. In a large bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of room temperature unsalted butter. Blend it with a spatula until smooth. Add half a cup of sugar and blend it together with the butter. Add 3 eggs, mixing them in one at a time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then mix it together again. Add 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix it together. Add half a cup of milk and mix it again. Add another 1/3 of your dry ingredients and give it another mix. Add another half cup of milk and you guessed it, mix it all together. Add the final 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix it one more time. Pour your batter into your 2 cake pans and use your spatula to spread it out evenly. Bake them in the oven for about half an hour. While the cakes are baking, let's make our blueberry sauce. For the sauce, you'll need frozen blueberries, a lemon, cornstarch, and sugar. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it together with 2 tablespoons of water. Cut 1 lemon in half and juice it. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so half a lemon should do. Make sure you remove any seeds as well. Grab a saucepan and add 2 cups of frozen blueberries, half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, and your lemon juice. Mix everything together and bring it up to a bubble on medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, add your cornstarch and water mixture. Stir your blueberry sauce until it begins to thicken, then set it aside to cool. You can check to see if your cakes are done by putting a toothpick through the center. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Let them cool, then remove them from their pans. Ideally, you should place them on a wire rack to cool further, but since I didn't have one, I just put them on plates to cool. While your cakes and blueberry sauce cool, let's make our own whipped cream. All you need for it is whipping cream and sugar. Grab a medium bowl and add 1.5 cups of whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Use a mixer to beat the whipping cream until it becomes stiff but still smooth. If you notice your cream curdling, add a bit more cream and whisk it gently to make it smooth again. And now for the fun part, assembling your cake. Add half of your whipped cream to the top of one cake. Add half of your blueberry sauce evenly on top of your whipped cream. Add your second cake tier and press it down gently. Add the rest of your whipped cream and blueberry sauce on top. And now you have a delicious blueberry shortcake. This cake was so good, I couldn't stop eating it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.